Hey Penticton, I'm Jessie Hudiak here with the city. It's late summer already, time for our community center to close the aquatic facilities for their annual maintenance and cleaning. So what exactly happens and what's actually done? To avoid any confusion or disappointment, here are 3 reasons explaining why this important closure is taking place. Reason 1, preventative maintenance. Although regular maintenance does occur all year round, staff use the annual closure to complete tasks that are harder to perform during regular operations. A deep scrubbing of the pool deck, sauna, steam room, and water slide are some of the main jobs completed, along with examining grates, railings, and stairs. Maintenance is also done on the boilers and pumps, as well as the HVAC, filtration, and disinfection systems. Even the change room areas, including showers and lockers, receive a thorough inspection, while pool amenities like the spray features, diving boards, and rope swings are all evaluated for their secureness and safety. Reason 2, asset management. Pool closures are an important part of the long-term maintenance cycle of any aquatic facility. In addition to enabling a safe, healthy, and functional operation, closures also ensure the facility's longevity and help prevent larger, more costly problems from occurring. There's no doubt caring for the regular wear and tear on a 29,000 square foot aquatic space is a big job that requires plenty of attention and scheduling.
The pool is an extremely busy place with more than 300,000 visitors each year enjoying the amenities. Throughout the year, we are open 7 days a week, up to 15 hours a day, and can see more than 900 people enjoying activities from swimming lessons to scuba diving. As you can imagine, that volume and variety of traffic can create a lot of wear and tear.
Reason 3, completing planned projects. A pool closure is the perfect time to complete projects like regulated upgrades or planned repairs that turn off systems or restrict access. Over the past several years, the City of Penticton has completed a variety of projects, including retiling the pool deck and change rooms, as well as modifying an existing change room into an accessible stall. All projects are crucial to the lifespan of the building and help maintain the service standards that Penticton residents expect.
Projects we may encounter here are broken tiles, water slide repairs, sauna element replacement. The City of Penticton really does this work to ensure that there's smooth operation for the balance of the year.
Like other communities across Canada, the City of Penticton closes its aquatic facilities for 3 weeks during late summer, a time when pool use is typically lower. It's definitely disappointing to find the pool closed, but summer is the perfect season for pool patrons to enjoy our amazing outdoor water amenities while looking forward to a squeaky clean facility and upcoming fall and winter programming. Thanks for your patience, Penticton, and thanks for watching.